Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very creamy, delicious Vietnamese yogurt. And I bought this machine right here called the Mueller Ultra Yogurt Maker from Amazon, about $26. And let's open it up. Let's see. Well, they give you instruction how to make yogurt right here, step by step. And open it up. Let me see. So this is called a fermenting pot right here, and then it has they give you 8 glass jars with lids, and this one you got to plug it into an outlet, and then when you're ready to ferment your yogurt, just press this. So we don't follow direction in the booklet. We just want to do the Vietnamese yogurt. So you take this out and let's begin. So each jar is 180 milliliter. The ingredient you will need is milk. You can use a 1% or 2% of whole milk, or half and half milk. Use the one that say pasteurized. This one is grade A ultra pasteurized milk. So if you use a 1 or 2%, it's gonna be the yogurt gonna be a little runny. Well, if you want a little creamy, you should use this half and half of whole milk. So I recommend you use half and half of whole milk for this. And you use a sweetened condensed milk. You can buy this from I bought this from Mueller. So, and you need one yogurt. So it has the yogurt has to be like a plain yogurt. So make sure that the yogurt have live culture. So it should read on here culture pasteurized. So have a live culture in there. So need a mixing bowl. The condensed milk right here, save the can when you use it. Save this can right here. This can is used as a measurement. So the can is 14 ounce. So we can use a condensed milk can for the measurement. So it's 14 ounce. So the recipe called for 1 can of condensed milk, but it's too sweet. I'm gonna just use, you can use half or a quarter of it. I'm gonna use a quarter of it. Condensed milk, very, very sweet. So I'm gonna just use a quarter of a can. Like I say, you can, the recipe called for one can of condensed milk, but it's gonna be too sweet for that. If you like sweet, use the whole can. If you don't like sweet, use half or a quarter of it. I'm gonna use a quarter of it. Right, there's about a quarter of a can right here, and save this one for next for your next yogurt. All right, so I measure this. Okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So this one is 32 fluid ounce. I use the whole thing. Right here, one can of this warm, just warm water. 1 can of that warm water. 1 can. And put your yogurt in. The yogurt will. So the yogurt have bacteria in there, have a live culture in there. So put a whole cup of yogurt in there. So after you make 1 batch, basically just save 1 jar to make the next one. So you don't need this for starter. So for starter, you just go to the store and buy 1 yogurt. So you have a live culture in there to ferment your yogurt. Now mix it really good, mix well. Mix it really good because the condensed milk really thick and the yogurt is very thick too. Mix it really good. Look at the condensed milk right here. Take a strainer and just okay. Bring this yogurt machine over here, and then bring the jar over. Just fill it up one at a time. Just fill it to the right here. Don't all the way to the. You don't need to fill it up all the way to the top. So it came out exactly, and I'll put the lid on. Paper towel, just make sure you clean off. Okay, put the lid on, and I'll just put into this yogurt machine right here. Just put the lid on, and come over here. Just plug it to the outlet. See the button right here, you just push it, there should be a blue light coming on. See the little blue light right there? That's it. And right now the time is 2:53. So you want to do it, you want to let it sit in that yogurt machine for 8 hours. So let's say right now it's 3 p.m. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 p.m. should be done. So that's so simple. All right, now it is 11 p.m. and after 8 hours in this Mueller yogurt maker right here, we're gonna turn off the machine, and then let's see. Let me open one and show it to you. It's very warm, pretty warm. Look at that. There's no water at all. Very creamy and thick. Really creamy and thick. I like to eat my yogurt very, chill. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and then it'll give it a taste. Look at that. No water at all. How thick it is. Very thick. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for a couple hours. All right, after 8 hours in this yogurt machine, and I already chilled the yogurt in the refrigerator for about 2 hours already. I like to eat mine a little cold. Just take a look at it. It's very creamy. That's why you can use the 1% or the 2% milk, but if you use the half and half milk or whole milk, you see your yogurt is very creamy like this. Look at it. You can tip it upside down, it won't fall out. Really creamy and thick. Give me look at how thick it is. Like it. See that? That's how thick it is. Let's see. Take a taste. This is good. Good yogurt. Look at it, very creamy, and you can. It's a little sour, and a little bit sour, and the sweetness of condensed milk. This is good. So just say one jar this yogurt to make the next batch of yogurt, and you keep making yogurt, and this is very healthy. Look at them. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.